Zuzax? Zuzax. What that is. Are those mountains pretty though? Not as pretty as the Smokies, but they're still pretty. What the speed limit is, but I got people on my butt. I thought it was 65, but as we're flying down a mountain, you wouldn't think people would want to do 80 miles an hour, but I guess they do. Zuzax. Hopefully there'll be somewhere on top of the mountain I can stop and stretch my legs and get a good video or pictures or something. Well, I'm just going to go with the flow, because if they're all going to do 85, then I'll do 85. The cop can't pull us all over. I knew it was only 65, but we're all doing 85. Supposedly there's Sasquatch in New Mexico too. I mean, they can be anywhere, but you wouldn't think they'd want to be in desert areas, but they're in northern Arizona, and apparently they're in the mountains around New Mexico too. Just to add a fun fact. Trail. That sounds pretty. Cibola National Forest. Got the camera zoomed in, so I'm not as close as it looks. Oh, so they cut down all the trees up here, so I'm not going to keep. Oh, we're going to the right. Good. I'll keep it rolling a little longer, just in case there's something spectacular up ahead. It's a cool house up there. Got wraparound windows. really get to see a whole lot when it's in wide view. Everything's so far away. I'm sure Albuquerque's right around the corner.